we have seen in brief, we have seen in previous class resistance of system of resistors. So if resistances are connected this way, that one end of R1 is connected to other end of R2, then the next end of R2 is connected to one end of R3, and the other end of R3 is connected, is actually the part of the loop which consists of ammeter, key and battery. This type of resistors is called resistance in series. This type
Good
of combination.
afternoon.
Good afternoon. This type of combination is called resistance in series. When one end of R1, R2 and R3 are connected together, तीनों के एक एंड को एक साथ कनेक्ट कर दिया और दूसरे एंड को एक साथ कनेक्ट कर दिया, तो इस टाइप ऑफ this type of combination is called resistance in parallel. Okay, in series current will flow through this loop, so equal current will flow through R1, R2 and R3. In series equal current will flow through R1, R2 and R3, and potential difference across each resistor will be different. Okay, potential difference will be different. Okay, in case of parallel, different currents will flow through each of the resistors. Resistors in parallel combination, different currents will flow through each of the resistors depending upon the value of R1, R2 and R3, and potential difference across each of the resistor will be same. So in parallel, potential difference remains same, but current is different. In series, current remains same, but potential difference is different. Now this we are going to see in detail.
Ma'am, can you repeat what you said just now?
Just now, okay, what I said
मैम
is,
वो एक बार
क्या?
क्या मैम वो आपने बोला ना पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस अक्रॉस, तो मैम वो वाली क्या बोला था, एक और बार समझा दो.
Potential difference across R1, R2 और R3, तीनों के अक्रॉस सेम ही होगा पैरेलल में. पैरेलल में पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस सेम होगा और करंट डिफरेंट होगा. ओके, वैल्यू ऑफ करंट I1, I2, I3 इस किस पे डिपेंड करेगा? I1, I2, I3, R1, R2 और R3 पे. रेजिस्टेंस की वैल्यू कितनी है उस पर डिपेंड करेगा I1, R2 की वैल्यू कितनी है, ऐसे रेजिस्टेंस की वैल्यूज पे डिपेंड करेगा I1, I2, I3, बट potential difference will be same. Here in series, current will be same, but potential difference will be different. Okay, this we are going to see in detail actually again. So resistance or resistors in series. Okay, now we'll be seeing two activities actually, activity 12.4 and 12.5 of your NCERT book. So let me take out first of all that. Okay, so I hope this activity 12.4 everybody can see on your screen. Join three resistors of different values in series. Three resistors are there, each of different values. They are connected in series. Connect them with battery, ammeter and plug key as shown in the figure 12.6. Okay, so figure 12.6 means this way: R1, R2, R3, then ammeter, battery, key and करंट. डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट हमेशा पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल से निकलते हुए बनाना है और नेगेटिव टर्मिनल में एंटर होते हुए. ठीक है, सो वी हैव टू कनेक्ट. You may use the resistors of value 1 ohm, 2 ohm and 3 ohm. So let R1 be 1 ohm, R2 be 2 ohm and R3 be 3 ohm. Okay, and a battery of 6 volt. Okay, for performing this activity, note the ammeter reading. Change the position of ammeter to anywhere in between the resistors. Note the ammeter reading. Do you find any change in the value of current through the ammeter? So basically what we are doing, So here three resistors are connected. Ammeter as shown in the figure this way is connected. Key is connected. This is 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 3 ohm, 6 volt battery. Ammeter is here. Okay. And this key is closed. Okay. So we'll note down. First of all, we'll note down the ammeter reading. Now what we'll do? Again, we'll remove ammeter from here and we'll connect ammeter between these two resistors. Then again, we'll note down ammeter reading. Then we'll remove ammeter from here and we'll connect ammeter here between 2 and 3 ohm. And then again, we will note ammeter reading. So this way we have to change the position of ammeter and we have to note down the reading. So what do we will observe? What do you think we will observe? जब ammeter यहाँ था, ammeter यहाँ था और यहाँ था, तो उसमें क्या, what do you think there should be difference or value of reading in ammeter will be same? What do you think? Okay, somebody is typing. Okay, anybody wants to say? So actually ammeter reading, you will observe that the value of current in ammeter is same independent of the position in the electric circuit. It means that in series combination of resistors, the current is same in every part of the circuit or same through each resistor. Okay, so what does this activity implies or what does it show? That current in series combination is same irrespective of the position of the ammeter. Is it clear? ये एक्टिविटी क्या है, इसका मतलब समझ में आ गया और इससे क्या इंटरप्रिटेशन निकल रहा है? इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीबडी? Just type Y if it is clear, and if it's not clear, just tell me so that I can explain it again. Type Y if it is clear, and if it's not clear, just let me know. How is voltmeter connected? Voltmeter is always connected in parallel. So now in activity 12.5, we'll be connecting voltmeter across R1, R2 and R3. Okay. R1 and V1 are in parallel, R2 and V2 are in parallel, R3 and V3 are in parallel. Okay. Now plug the key in the circuit. Plug the key का मतलब क्या है कि अगर ये की plug नहीं है तो ये circuit ऐसे open होता है. Okay. अगर की plug है तो that means it is closed. Okay. So now plug the key in the circuit and note the voltmeter reading. We'll note down V1, V2 and V3. It gives potential difference across the series combination of resistor. Okay, now measure the potential difference across the two terminals of the battery. We'll measure that how much potential difference is across the terminals of the battery, and we'll compare, we'll try to find the relationship between V1, V2 and V3 in this activity. Okay, so take out the plug key and disconnect the voltmeter. Now insert the voltmeter across the ends of XP. Plug the key and measure the potential difference across the first resistor. Similarly, measure potential difference across other two resistors separately and deduce a relationship between V, V1, V2 and V3. So what we will observe, कि अगर ये potential difference V है, if this potential difference is V, this is V1, this is V2 and this is V3, then what is relationship between them? V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Okay. So now coming to the formula. So in series, resistances are connected this way: R1, R2, R3. Okay, and this is V1, this is V2, V3. Okay, then this is ammeter. Okay, okay, this is battery. Here actually in series, after doing this experiment, we'll observe that V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Okay, so the potential difference across battery is equal to the potential difference across resistor R1 plus potential difference across resistor R2 plus potential difference across resistor R3. Now V1, we know that current is same in series. So suppose I is the current flowing through the circuit. V1 equals to I into R1, V2 equals to I into R2, and V3 equals to I into R3. Okay, so and we know that if R is the equivalent resistance of the circuit. Equivalent resistance का मतलब क्या है कि R1, R2 और R3 इनको अगर एक सिंगल रेजिस्टेंस R से रिप्लेस कर दें तो दैट इज द इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस RS. ओके, तो and if this I is the current, okay, then what will be relationship between this RS, I and V? V will be equal to I into RS. Okay, so I am substituting value of V, V1, V2 and V3. Okay, so this is I into RS equals to I into R1 plus I into R2 plus I into R3. So RS equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay, 1 minute. In series combination, the equivalent resistance or RS is given by R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay, now let us do the numerical. ये याद रखना है, actually this you have to remember. Okay, now example 12.9. Okay, in figure 12.12, R1 is 10, this one is 10. Okay, actually this is of parallel. 1 minute, इसके ऊपर वाला है, not this one. Sorry, this example 12.7. An electric bulb whose resistance is 20 ohms. So an electric bulb is given, its resistance is 20 ohm and a conductor of 4 ohm resistance are connected to 6 volt battery. Okay, so basically there is a bulb whose resistance is 20 ohm and a conductor of 4 ohm resistance. 4 ohm I can make here also or even before that, it won't make any difference. Okay, are connected to a 6 volt battery. They are connected to a 6 volt battery. Calculate the total resistance. So this is 6 volt. Okay, so बल्ब को भी एक सिंपल रेजिस्टेंस से भी रिप्लेस कर सकते हो और बल्ब से भी रिप्लेस कर सकते हो. दिस बोथ आर करेक्ट. इफ आई ड्रॉ दिस वे, this is also correct. ये 20 ohm or the below one is also correct. Okay, and this is 6 volt. Okay, now current I, we have to calculate the total resistance of the circuit. So ये 20 ohm और 4 ohm series में है या parallel में है? How they are connected? They are connected in series. इसमें तो किसी को कोई डाउट नहीं है? नहीं? So we'll write first of all R1 equals to 20 ohms, R2 equals to 4 ohm, RS equals to R1 plus R2. अगर 3 रेजिस्टेंस है तो R1 plus R2 plus R3 फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे, अदरवाइज R1 plus R2 only. So it is 20 plus 4, 24 ohms. This is RS. So calculate total resistance of the circuit. First part is this. RS is 24 ohm. This is first part answer. Okay. Then calculate current through the circuit. I equals to V upon RS. Okay. RS क्या है? Total resistance of the circuit. और V क्या है? 6. RS is 24. So 6 upon 24, that is 1/4 or 0.25 amperes. So current will be 0.25. Now we have to find potential difference across electric lamp and conductor. मतलब ये वाला potential difference V1 निकालना है और V2 निकालना है. ठीक है? तो V1 equals to I into R1, V2 equals to I into R2. I is 0.25 into R1 is 20. So it will be, this you can multiply. It will be into 10, so it will 2.5. So 5 it will be. Okay, and I into R2. Okay, so 0.25 into 4, that will be 1 volt. Okay, so this will be the third part. Is it clear? Is it clear to everybody? Actually, what you are doing, if you are typing today, I am not getting anything in chat box. So you can just say, अगर ये clear है तो please tell yes, so that I can know that I can move ahead. Okay, so I am hearing only one yes.
Yes.
Okay, then what about others?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
it is clear. Okay. ठीक है. So actually, if I am moving fast, you can let me know. Plus, after class, you should go through this all things. You should open your book and read each and every statement what we are doing daily. So things will be clear, more clear actually, if we will be reading what we are doing daily. Okay. Next is draw a schematic diagram of circuit consisting of a battery of 3 cells of 2 volt each, 5 ohm resistor, 8 ohm resistor, 12 ohm resistor, a plug key, all connected in series. Okay, so can you draw this? Draw in your copy.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'll tell you how to draw. This is actually question on page number 213 of NCERT book. Question number 1. Okay, so draw a schematic diagram consisting of a battery of 3 2 volt resistor, 2 volt, sorry, 2 volt. So 1 2 3, each of 2 volt. So 2 volt 2 volt 2 volt, it will be 6 volt. Okay, you can directly write 6 volt. A 5 ohm resistor, so it will be 5 ohm resistor. 8 ohm resistance, 8 ohm resistor, 12 ohm resistor. Okay, a plug key, all connected in series. Okay, redraw the circuit of question number 1, putting, is question 1 clear? Is this question 1 clear to everybody? क्या करना था question 1 में? Question 1
Yes.
I am talking about. Yes, so 1 minute, about this question I am talking about, this one. Okay, question 1 this, and the answer to this question is this one. I think it is clear to everybody.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, question 2. Redraw the circuit of question 1, putting in an ammeter to measure the current through the resistor and a voltmeter to measure potential difference across 12 ohm resistance. So redraw karna hai. Ab putting an ammeter to measure the current through the resistors. Okay. So ammeter, if we have to connect, we know that ammeter is always connected in series. So we'll connect ammeter this way. 1 minute. Okay. So this way ammeter will be connected. Okay. This is positive terminal. This is negative terminal. This is direction of current. Current always enters positive terminal and leaves negative terminal. Okay. Then to measure the current and voltmeter to measure the potential difference across 12 ohm. अगर इसका 12 ohm का potential difference measure करना है तो voltmeter ऐसे connect होगा. Okay. What would be the reading in the ammeter and voltmeter? So what we have to find? We have to find current I through the circuit and we have to find potential difference V3. Okay. So can you find this I and V3? First of all, we'll find question 2 we are doing.
0.24 ampere.
0.24 ampere. Okay. 1 minute. So RS will find RS equals to 5 plus 8 plus 12. That is equal to 25 ohms. Okay. So I equals to V upon RS. V is 6 upon 25. Okay. So this actually for solving purpose we can multiply by 4 in numerator and denominator. Denominator will become 100. So if no calculators are allowed, we should use this type of trick so that our calculations get simplified. Okay. 0.24 ampere, correct. Now V3 equals to I into R3. I is 0.24
2.882.
into 12. Okay. So what it is coming? 2.88.
2.88.
2.88. Okay. One, sorry. Volt. Okay, somebody is typing. Today, actually, somebody is typing on chat box, but I don't know why I'm not getting any message. So I'm just getting number 1 or 2, like this many chat messages are there, but I'm not able to read any. Okay. So is everybody getting this? Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What about others? Hardik, Yash, Kavin?
Yes.
यहाँ तक कोई doubt है तो you can ask. Okay. So next, resistors in parallel. Okay. So I guess we should give a pause and we should do revision. We'll start resistors in parallel in next class. So let us reconnect. Actually, this meeting is going to end. So let us reconnect and then we will just do a quick revision what we have done till now. Okay. Okay.